Hey y'all, I decided to buy one of these things. This is ultrasound levitator, and what you can do with it, it's got two little kind of speakers there, and they have these little tiny styrofoam balls, right? And then you can put them in the middle and let go. Oops, I guess you didn't see that. You put them in the middle and let go, and then they balance. Oh, that one fell. Let's try that again. That one's maybe too big. Let's try this one. There we go. So it's balanced in the air. There's ultrasound coming from the bottom down here and also from the top one. And then what it does is it makes the two waves interfere, and you end up with points where it's more stable for that little ball to rest. I forget what you call them. They're little nodes or something inside of the sound waves. So anyway, these are two ultrasound emitters, and then there's this board and blah blah blah. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna buy one of these things, right? So what you get in the kit is a tiny little bag, and then I thought it would have, I don't know, like normal size resistors for some reason or something, but no, it is all surface mount components. Those are all surface mount LEDs, resistors, and little IC chips. Okay, so this is not for kids. This is hard as heck to solder together. I would not recommend it for anyone that has shaky hands. Anyone who's horrible at soldering, because I'm horrible at soldering, and it took me forever. I was able to debug it. The only instructions they give you, by the way, is this. Isn't that great? Okay, so there's no English, and you're basically trying to figure out what the heck goes where. Now, the board is labeled, though. So they had like R2, right? So you put the 10k ohm resistor there. But then you're trying to read the little tiny surface mount parts, and you're like, oh my gosh, I can't even see what it is. So, I mean, this is what other people have to do that work in these places that put together these boards, as they got to do crazy soldering stuff. But yeah, I hate soldering. I just got this because I was going to mess with the ultrasound kit. Anyway, this is, okay, so this, let's see. I have no clue what that is. It looks like a voltage regulator. Trying to figure out what I put together here. And I don't know. Say I ended up measuring, I think this was 5 volts coming out of that pin or something like that. And anyway, it's just, the point of this is it runs these things at an ultrasound frequency, these little speakers, and then yeah. And, oh, is there anything on the back? This is what's on the back. Is that helpful to you? Probably not. Oh, the other thing is, I don't know if you noticed, see this VCC 12in. So what you get is you get this device all the way up to, let's see if I can turn this here, all the way up to that black plug right there. This little thing sticking into the plug is mine. I had to make that myself, and I had to make the battery pack, and I made a switch, a little toggle switch here to turn it on. For a while I was running, I started out with the power supply. I wanted something to be portable. So yeah, I mean, you get it, and you get like the basic kit, but then you're gonna have to make your own power supply. You're gonna have to make a switch. So for this, I used what is this, 1.5 volt AA batteries. So they give you this kit, and they also give you a little bag of balls. I've tried a piece of paper or something. I haven't gotten that. I think those are too heavy based on their density. So you want something that's less dense. So anyway, it was very frustrating. That said, I guess I would recommend it because you can learn how to do some surface mount soldering. You can learn how to debug some of your chips. You can learn how to interpret, a schematic, because you're not going to have any directions. I don't know. It's annoying. But it's cool. And there's the ball. But you can put more than one in here, supposedly. There's multiple points. Let me get some more balls out. Gotta get the balls. Get out of there. Alright, here's another tiny one. Let's see if I can get it. Oh, just replace the one that was there. Oh, I got two. Okay, let's go for, can we do 3? Try for the middle. No, wait. See, my pliers have solder stuck on them. And I get 3. Nope. This is harder than it looks. Oh. Well, I got 2. I think that's my record so far. And now they're all down on the bottom. Grab one and pull it up. Oh! I think I have to start at the top node. And then go down. Anyway. Thanks. Bye.